Hello everyone, it's Jay, and I figured I would give you an update on my house and everything that I've done. Now, this won't be like crazy renovations or anything like that. This is basically me moved in after 2 months and everything rearranged to the way that I like it. So without further ado, if you happen to like my content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on what you think, and let's get into the video. So we are pretty much going to start off in the living room. Now you can clearly tell that this has been rearranged. This couch used to be over here in this corner, and now that table is over there. And now I have my TV right here next to the window. Eventually this TV will go at this wall once I get new couches, but that'll be a long time from now. I don't plan on changing any of the couches or anything like that at this moment, but this used to be over at that wall and it used to have my DJ mixer. Now you're probably wondering, where has my DJ mixer gone? And I will show you in a bit. For the most part, this is my living room area. It's very, very nice. It's very comfortable. There's a lot of blank walls that I need to fix up and get more decor, but for the most part that is everything that has changed. Now whenever I had the couch over in this area, it was just small and it wasn't very open, and then I had like all this open space right here, and so I wanted to give it more of an open feel by moving the couch that I have. Moving on to the kitchen, nothing has really changed with the kitchen. I've added like a coat hook. Whenever I moved in, I noticed in the video that I had a lot of trash around here. That's pretty much cleaned up. I still have a few dishes and stuff. Moving on to the bathroom, there have been a few things that have changed. I haven't done any crazy renovations, but I have added this cheap shelf that I got from Walmart for about $30. And if you take a look at it, it looks pretty like decent. Like it looks like it goes with the bathroom. I've also added that little sign up there that came from the Dollar Tree. But other than that, I have not changed anything around this area. This whole area right here used to be blank. I couldn't stand it. I couldn't deal with it. Moving on to the hallway, I've added this along with the clock. Well, the clock was there, but this has been added. That came from my mom, so I didn't have to spend any money. It does kind of poke out a bit from the wall, but right here, it kind of gives it a more homey feel. It's not so barren right here now like it used to be. I also have this rug right here, and so it kind of just ties in everything. Now this blank wall right here definitely needs to be changed. Moving on to the master bedroom, now you can really tell that this has all changed around. The bed right here used to be over here at this wall, and the TV used to be at the window. I don't know why I pointed towards the wall, but it used to be at the window. I have moved everything around and I have added a few things. You can tell that the dresser is now over here. I've added black flowers from Michaels. I spent like 15 bucks for both pairs because at the time you buy one you get one free, so I did that. I got the vases for free from a coworker. With that being said, it kind of ties in all together. This used to be over here at my bed, but I've moved it at the window because I wanted to give it a more homey feel. Like if I wanted to sit there and look out the window, I could, but it's not like extremely comfortable. Now what has really changed is I've moved my 65-inch TV from my living room to my bedroom. I've upgraded my TV in the living room and I've moved it in here. I bought this whole stand from Walmart. The majority of my home decor comes from Walmart. The only thing that really bothers me is these legs. They are really long and I could accidentally trip over them and pull everything out. But for the most part, I really like this. It's in the corner out of the way, and so it kind of ties in the whole room together. I've added these. They came from like Goodwill basically, and I got them for dirt cheap, like $7 for both, and they're pretty huge. They kind of go with the pillow right here. But going on with the TV stand, there are a lot of TV stands on Amazon that are like cheaper than this. This was 64 bucks. The majority of them have a glass bottom, and a lot of people were complaining that the glass bottom shattered and the TV fell. So that was my main concern with with this TV stand from Walmart, it is pretty sturdy. It holds this heavy 65-inch TV up very, very well. And it's like watching a movie theater in my bed. With that being said, this is my bedroom now. Everything in here looks amazing. I really, really love it. It just feels like comfortable to me. Eventually, I may add like an accent chair right here and move this at the wall right here. But for right now, it's extremely comfortable. I love it. Moving on to my studio, I should say. This isn't officially finished. I've added these posters on the wall. The little bowl that goes right there, it literally fell today and shattered all over the floor, so I've had to clean that up. So I'm just gonna have to get another bowl. It's kind of annoying. I may just get like a whole nother piece of the ceiling fan because I don't really like this light fixture. It's kind of ugly. But this is where my DJ mixer is now, along with one of these cheap TVs. I'm able to see everything here on display, and that's really the way that I wanted it. The main thing that has changed is I've moved my 50-inch TV from my bedroom into here. I pretty much use this TV to do music production. Clearly, you can see it on the screen. And this track will be on my next album that's coming out sometime in January, February. But for the most part, that is what I've been working on. And this is pretty much what my studio will be. I may have like soundproof things on the wall eventually. I'm not really sure about that yet. I have my old CRT on the floor. I have a VHS and DVD player right here along with my original Xbox and the 360. This has changed. This used to be in my bedroom and I've moved it in here, and you can clearly tell that the tables are two different colors. This one's like oak brown or like light brown, and this one's like dark brown. They really don't tie in together. Eventually I may add like some vinyl wrap or something and make it all tie in together, but for at the moment it is what it is. It looks good. It's not bad. I really love it. I really love this setup. Now I'm still not going to showcase the outside of my house because I really don't want the internet to know where I live. It may be in the thumbnail, but I am going to crop out like the address and stuff because I'm just really concerned about that. But for the most part, this is everything that has changed. I haven't done any crazy renovations, anything like that. It's just me officially moving in. So with that being said, if you happen to like my content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on what you think, and I'm out. Boom.